Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to disable tablet mode in Windows 10. So let's start, guys. So this is the tablet mode in Windows 10. So we have to disable this tablet mode. So you can go to the desktop mode. So first of all, we have to go to the setting, click on setting button, and now Windows setting. Here you have to go system, and now choose tablet mode. So here you can see the tablet mode selected, and click on when I sign in. So right now this is the use tablet mode, so change it into use desktop mode. Yes guys, and here you have to choose don't ask me again. So select the option, and here is many option if you want, but we will choose don't ask and always switch. That means it is always signed in desktop mode. Now close it and restart the computer, and after restart the computer your system will be automatically sign in desktop mode. So here guys, you can see the computer is now in desktop mode. So you can see I open the browser, I open the explorer, all are simply open in desktop mode. So you can see all the details. So this is the way how you can disable the tablet mode in Windows 10. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.